Hi, this is our 8kg beko washer. Seemed great, sounded great when we first had it, with it being a large drum. We have a large family, so we thought this would come in use. But for some reason we can just about fit a single duvet in. It does have quite good washing programs on, which is handy when we need a quick wash. But for some reason the comfort always seems to leak out the drawer. Always has, and I doubt it'll ever change. I do like the colour, I like the silver washing machines, but think, to be fair, we need a bigger drum for the growing family.